What's this sound I'm hearing? Is that this? Nah. Magic Carpet Ride by Steppenwolf, folks. How you doing this morning on Thanksgiving Day in the United States? This is what Enlil, our Anunnaki god, is telling us what our prediction center is, but I don't trust that POS. How you doing? So let's go take a look at some other prediction models that we got, so that way we can actually get more of an accurate model. Believe it or not, I like somebody better than this, and that would be the European Space Agency. All my English brothers and sisters, how you doing? All my bruvs, and all you little English girls that like a southern accent from American Boy, here you go. Just kidding. Right, so right here is where we're at. We actually had 2 pop-offs. Apparently, we already went through some just a little bit, and we got another one coming off here right now. So let's go ahead and take a peek at this and bring it on over. Where are we going to be hitting at? Right. It's actually a pretty high one. I mean, here we're going to be hitting on the 27th, about 16:13 UTC time. We're going to be hitting with 30 centimeters cubed of plasma. That's not good. Anything over 10 is an alarm, just by the way. By the by. So we're looking at 40 centimeters cubed on the 28th at 2:13 a.m. UTC time. So make sure everybody's got your aluminum foil hats on, or aluminum, however you guys say it over in Britain or in Europe. I love you guys. we speak totally different over here in the United States. So it's I love hearing the difference in how, like, I'll say aluminum. Some people say aluminium. I love the language differences and the accents. It's beautiful. If you really try to take the time to listen to each other speak, even those that don't even speak the language, when they try to speak and really give it an effort, it's a beautiful attempt at wanting to communicate and express an expression of each other. So try to find love and joy in everything. So we're going to get off of this guy, right? So let's actually try to find out exactly what's going on here, shall we?
You will be assimilated.
I am Locutus of Borg. Resistance is futile. Your life, as it has been, is over. From this time forward,
This is coming at us.
you will service us.
You will be assimilated.
Resistance is futile. We are the Borg. Lower your shield and surrender your ships. We will add your biological and technological distinctiveness to our own. Your culture will adapt to service us. Resistance is futile.
That's right. You saw the Borg cube. Oh, look, here's another little guy over here peeking out from behind the disc. How you doing? That's right. The Borg are real. You see the cubes. We've seen them all over the place. What do you think that is? Light bending. When you see the big lines that kind of go up, it's a light. They can actually project the light bending. It's one of the things that they're very, very good at. I've done a previous video. For those of you who are new to my channel, please look at some of my previous videos on light bending technology. You can literally go to the hardware store and you can get stuff to make a light bender yourself and make one, and you can use it for hiding. Oh, hey there, little fella. There's one right there. How you doing? There's one of the... Yeah, it looks like a nice little disc, but I actually know better. It's actually in the shape of a bird. My little buddies. Let's see if we can find another one here. Ooh, here's another propulsion. You can see the the little pops, the little bursts of energy release. But once we go over to Lasco C3, ooh, what's happening here? Probably not going to get enough on it. Oh, we might. Look at that beauty. Ooh. Hello, Beautimus. Oh, that is just beautiful. Look at that. Is just, oh, that's gorgeous. Can everybody see that? Everybody see her? Hey, beautiful. How you doing? Now, again, I don't think this is coming out. I think this is coming around, because this is a one-dimensional object we're looking at, and it's coming around. So we're trying to see a three-dimensional object on a one-dimensional player, if that makes any sense. So, oh, that is gorgeous. Love it. I really do. That is fabulous. I have to wait and see if we can see it over on seeds. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to, but we'll give her a shot. And this is where we left off yesterday. Remember, this is Venus, okay? But there's something I want to bring to everybody's attention that actually kind of gets my attention, that has my attention right over here. This is something new that I have not seen before. Now, here's a coronal mass ejection that's coming our way. It's a release of filament. This is the plasma that we looked at. This is coming our way. It's not coming very fast, and it doesn't look like there's a lot of density to it. I mean, 40 centimeters cubed is pretty dense, but it's not the worst that we've been smacked by in the last 6 months. I'll promise you that. But right over here, look at this right here as it comes into view. Watch. I don't know what that is. Oh, look at this. Borg cube bending the light, just like I was telling you. But this bugger here, I don't know what that is, because see, this is Venus, and you can see the light reflecting off of it. As you watch it, you'll see it kind of go in and out from the light refraction. I don't know what that is. I honestly don't. I'm not going to lie. I've looked at planets.com, Planets Today. I've looked at 3 different star apps that I have, and I cannot yet identify that. That doesn't mean it's not identifiable. I just have not done so yet. So if anybody might have a possible clue on what this is, please drop it in the comments. Let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe with your friends and family. Let them know what's going on out in the stars. Because I mean, you can see Venus when it's rotating. You can see the light refractions, kind of the beams of light coming in and out, and that's normal because it is rotating. That this is a normal thing. It's nothing to panic about or get all excited about. So everything is all right for that. So let's see. Let's keep going. We got a couple other friends that we can see in here, and I'm gonna try and see if I can get the one ejection that came over here on Lasco C3. Will it give it to us? Uh-oh, there's another Borg cube bending the light. Oh yeah. On my way. Oh, hey, there's another one. Hey, little fella. I'm much obliged. Pleasant stay. Oh, no, I'm not gonna say that one yet. There's another one right there. Time for me to go. It's my way. Now check this out. You see this? 1, 2, 3, like a little triangle or something. But it's almost like it's banking, and its bottom thrusters here at the back of the triangle are like kicked in to kind of get it to pull up almost. Now I'm trying to have a vivid imagination and envision these things when I'm looking through these things on what could cause 2 to be brighter than another one, and it's if it's trying to maneuver. So this is very, very interesting. This is where I do get a lot of enjoyment, is out here looking through the satellites and looking into space. Oh, look at that, another Borg cube. I know quite a bit about other subjects, but I can't. SpaghettiOs, 10:06, 14:18. They don't want you to see what this is right here. Aren't they a bunch of just turd wranglers? Gosh dang it. That's annoying. Ah! Alright, let's go check out some other stuff. Alright. Here we are at Solar Dynamic Observatory. We're looking at 193 angstroms of light. Okay? And we're going to see our little plasma filament that got released here. And there's a couple of little pops here. But right after that, I'm going to bring this up to the top, up to here, because you're going to watch all the little fingers, if you will. I'm going to call them fingers, or little webs of light, the ray. You'll see them bend towards an object. You'll see it. In fact, you can almost kind of see where the object is starting to come around right now. That's my little sweetheart. She's sending me some gifts. She's lovely. Very lovely. So yeah, watch this. You'll see this kind of let go. See that? She's letting go at us. And then there's a couple of little pops that come. You see the little couple pops over here. Watch up here, folks. Watch up here. You're going to see these all of a sudden start going, whoa, wait, what? Oh, we actually just missed it while I was down there looking at the other. Sorry about that. It all kind of happens. Some things will happen all along the same time, and that can be annoying. I'm not going to lie. But it'll go from here to over here, and you'll actually see, look at whoosh, you see that? So there she is again, moving towards something, and you can see it here, and of course we just saw something nice, big, and round. So let's see if we can see it in another angstrom of light.